Hello guys, welcome to Job GCS. Hope you all are doing well. We are happy to announce that Job GCS has multiple openings in the automobile industry for the Mumbai location. इस वीडियो में we will discuss about the details of all the openings related to different departments such as sales, service, HR, admin. हम डिस्कस करेंगे different job roles, location and salaries too. बिफोर मूविंग अहेड, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ताकि आपको ऐसे ही जॉब अलर्ट्स मिलते रहें. सो लेट्स बिगिन. So starting with the sales department, our first opening is for the telecaller. The role of the telecaller will be handling the sales entirely over the phone. The location for this job is Kurla and the required experience is 1+ year and the salary band is from 13,000 to 18,000 monthly. The next is the sales executive for the Khar and Lower Parel location. The required experience is 2+ years, for which the salary band is 16,000 to 24,000. The sales executive will be responsible for helping and building up the business by identifying the new opportunities. The next is the process coordinator. The process coordinator is the one who ensures the smooth running of all the businesses and its activities. The location for this job is Kurla and the required experience is 4+ years. The salary band is 20,000. Similarly, we have the test drive coordinator, the team leader. The team leader is the one for the sales department. The job location is for the Kurla. Required experience is 8+ years and the salary band is 30,000. Team leader for the telemarketing. For the sales department, job location will be Kurla. The required experience is 8 to 10 years and the salary band is 25,000 per month. The sales manager for the sales department, the job location will be Khar and Kurla. The required experience is 10+ years and the salary band is 40,000 to 50,000 per month. Similarly, the corporate manager for the sales department, job location is Lower Parel. The required experience is 12+ years and the salary band is 40,000 to 50,000. We also have the opening for the driver position for the sales department. Location will be Kurla. Required experience is 2+ years and the salary band is 13,000. Moving ahead to the service department, we have the following openings. First is the marketing executive for the Kurla location. The required experience is 1 year. The salary is 14,000 to 20,000. The data entry operator. The job role for the data entry operator will be entering the customer and the account data from the source document within the given time limits. The location is Kurla. The required experience is 2+ years and the salary is 12,000 to 15,000. The insurance executive for the railroad. The required experience is 3 years and the salary is 15,000 to 20,000. The telecaller, particularly for the body and paint. Location is railroad. Required experience is 2 to 4 years and the salary is 15,000 to 18,000. The technician for the Kurla location. The required experience is 5+ years. The salary is 18,000 to 15,000. The service advisors for the Kurla and railroad having the experience of 7+ years and the salary is 18,000 to 22,000 per month. The body shop advisor for the Kurla location having the experience of 7+ years and the salary band is 20,000 to 25,000. The technician leader for the Kurla location having the experience of 8+ years having the salary of 30,000 to 35,000. The service manager for the Kurla location having the experience of 8 to 10 years provided the salary of 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Next, for the HR and admin department, below are the openings. The HR executive for Kurla and Khar location for the required experience is 4 to 6 years and the salary will be 18,000 to 22,000. The recruitment manager for the Kurla location, the required experience is 8 plus years and the salary will be 32,000 to 35,000. We also have the opening for the other departments such as customer relationship department, the dealer customer assistance center, and the point of contact department. The required experience is mentioned on the screen along with the salary details. I hope till now you have understood all the requirements and identified your profile. Now the question is how to apply. You may WhatsApp us on the given contact number and send resume on the given email ID. Before closing, I request you to please share this video with your family and friends so that they could be benefit from the same. Thank you. Have a nice day.